I'm not afraid of monkeys. So we're heading out again. We're going to the metro station and then to Sarojni. That's one of my favorite places in Delhi. Maybe it's my favorite place. We're gonna use the Delhi metro. If you want to use the Delhi metro as well, there are a few things you should know. First of all, there is an app.
Delhi NCRM.
Delhi NCRM. Sarojni Nagar, Sarojni Market.
We're leaving from
Kalkaji Mandir. That's where we are. And are you buying tickets online?
No.
No. You just check for the next metro, or
For some reason I don't have check.
how often is the metro leaving?
Every couple of minutes.
Okay. Search
And it
for
shows
route.
you 19.
Yes, it takes 19 minutes. You can see it costs 30 rupees. It's 7 stops. And we have to switch one time at another Nagar, also market. Is it?
Lajpat Nagar.
Lajpat Nagar.
We have to switch there.
And then we go to
First we have to take the purple line and then the pink line.
Let's check out the metro station and get a ticket.
When you're inside a metro and you don't know which metro you are in,
Yeah.
then it tells you the metro.
Building on the right side, that's a temple. There are many temples. Do we have to cross here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
That's for the temple.
So here you can buy offering for the temple. More offerings. It's a pretty big temple, or what? Like,
Honestly, I don't know. I don't think it's a very big one. But
there is another temple. Seems like another temple. They're eating a lot of Kenny. A lot of Kenny. Last time I was in India, I got really addicted to Kenny. I will try to avoid Kenny addiction this time. Also now we get to Kalkaji Mandir. So Kalkaji Mandir is the metro stop in the district, is it? So that's the way to the tickets, and that's the metro plan. How many lines are there? 11 lines. How far can you go by metro? Can you go like
Even
to
to
the
the airport.
outskirts?
You
To the
go
airport?
You can go to Noida.
Oh, wow.
You can go to the outskirts.
Can go to Noida. How long would it take to Noida?
An hour and a bit.
I mean, that's much faster than going by car, right?
Yeah. Go to now Kalkaji to Lajpat Nagar, and from there, 1 second, there are 4 more. South Extension, INA, Sarojni Nagar. Here we have to go.
Oh, cool.
But this is south. We're in south now.
You can even go to different state. Yeah, state. What's the state Delhi is in?
Gurgaon. Delhi is Delhi.
Is it Delhi state? Okay. You have 2.
Yeah, one for you, one for me.
Cool.
There is a deposit of 50 rupees or 30 rupees.
Why do you have 2?
Because my cousin lives there.
Ah, okay.
Here, pass. So you have 2 options.
Yeah. Go to?
Sarojni.
One person?
Yeah, 1 person. Yeah. Is it to charge card?
Yes.
Okay. And now? No, I don't want token, card.
No token.
No, I said I want to charge this one. Okay, the token is okay.
So we charge 1 card and we have 1 token.
Yeah, because it
Okay.
because it was a misunderstanding.
Oh,
So
okay.
usually you get a card with deposit. You get a
Card-
get
card
a card
with-
that has
okay.
deposit.
Okay.
Then you recharge them. You get 10%.
Okay.
Then you can also get those tokens.
So the token is for 1 ride.
For 1 ride, and
Uh-huh.
make sure you can only buy 1 token at a time. You cannot buy 5 tokens. For instance, you know that you're gonna go tomorrow again. Then
Yeah.
it's only valid for this very day, and you won't get your money back.
Okay.
And they're very adamant about that. They will fight with you because if you do something wrong, they don't have an like customer service is really bad.
Okay, the customer service is bad. So don't do anything wrong. You get 1 token for 1 ride or for 1 day.
Ride.
For 1
For
ride.
1 ride, you use it now, and you need to keep it. And then
Okay.
now we have to go under security control.
Okay.
Through
Yeah. So I scan the token. Okay, scan the token. And it opens. So there are two directions.
Because there's another one.
Another line here. Okay,
You have to go towards Margie's card.
okay. If you put 30, you choose the destination and then you get the
In
token.
this case, yeah, but if you have the card, it doesn't matter. It just
Okay, and the machine charges the token. So the machine gives the token the value.
yeah.
Is it?
But
Yeah.
usually it's always 30, maximum 40.
Okay,
But then again,
40.
with this card you get 10% discount. So you save 3 rupees, which would be
10%, and 10%
Yeah.
is the only discount you can get. Card is more convenient.
Yeah,
You
because
charge
it-
it and
yeah.
just go. Okay,
because the token is again only valid for one ride. and
one
for
ride,
one
and then you always have to go to the machine. Okay, okay. So there is a ladies only section on the metro. If someone is traveling alone. So ladies section is one cart.
2 compartments
Two
on
compartments.
each end of the allocated sign. So
Okay,
you get in,
that's
but
probably
no
not
one-
working. Yeah,
No one gives that.
very cool. Metro, Delhi Metro.
Train coaches now. We have 6 train coaches, and the next one will get there in 1 minute.
Is that the Lotus Temple?
Yeah, that's the Lotus Temple.
That's like a very random place.
Yes.
We visited. Have you been there again?
No,
No.
but we can go there again.
No need to go there again.
I don't even think you can see it on the camera with all the small.
Yeah, no, and it's too small, but also, yeah, maybe also the smoke. Smoke.
It's rush hour, so it's gonna be very
Oh, now it's packed. It's rush hour. Rush hour, so the metro is.
That I know you won't. But we're so different.
packed. But if you turn around, this is Hindi. If you turn around on the other side of the metro, you see it in English.
Okay. So during the day, this is much less stressful, right? If it's not rush hour, because now that's crazy. So many people. So we apparently we went into the wrong direction. There were two guys talking to us about their life. They now told us that we're in the wrong metro. We went the wrong way. But yeah, we're in a place called Ashram. What's the place called Ashram? Is there an actual ashram?
No, we just missed it because we didn't go to the wrong direction. Just have to go one back.
Ah, okay, okay.
Because the guys were talking, so we got caught up
Okay.
and then we missed the exit actually.
Okay.
That's what we did. So
Now
then we
we-
have to go one back.
Got it, we have to go one back. We didn't go into the wrong direction.
Oh
we
no,
just
it's no,
missed.
no, actually
No?
no, we did.
No, we did
It's-
go into the wrong direction. How many stops? 12 stops now? No,
But
12
now we
minutes.
only 2
5
stops,
stops.
wrong. Yeah, so it's another 5 stops.
No problem. And you see like the air, the pollution in Delhi, it's bad. So it's now
Severe.
very poor.
And after severe, there is hazardous, and it was all November. It was hazardous.
It says only exit, and that's already the beginning of Sarojni. Sarojni, it's like a very crowded place. Here you have to be slightly careful. Everyone wants to sell random stuff. Thank you, thank you.